everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made this really tasty Yamarita and egg sauce, and we're going to have someone to taste and rate it on behalf of you guys. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. So the first thing I'm doing is to boil my yam slices. So it's been in the freezer, it's frozen. I'm just taking it out, adding some water, adding some salt, and I'm going to boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you have fresh yam, then all you have to do is just cut it, slice it into the rectangular shapes and small sizes, and then just do the same thing. So yeah. And then after about 12 minutes, my yam it's not perfectly done, but it's a little bit soft, and that's what you want. And I'm just going to take it out and spread it on a tray just to let it cool down. For this next stage, you're going to need some flour, some sugar and some other seasonings. Just so you know, the 2 teaspoons of sugar were not enough. It tasted like nothing. So it's up to you if you want to increase this, or just leave it like that. If you don't like a lot of sugar, then absolutely. But if you're like me and you like sweet things, you are going to need more sugar, but just don't overdo it. Just going to add all-purpose seasoning as well to my egg, just to give it a little bit of spice. So I'm just going to heat up some oil, and whilst this is getting heated up, I'm going to be prepping my yam slices. So I'm just dipping it into the flour and then into the egg, and I'm just going to set it aside on the tray. Feel free to double dip. So this is just flour, egg. This would make the yam heavily coated on the outside, so it is absolutely your choice. And when my oil is hot, make sure it doesn't get to, when the oil gets too hot and it starts like burning by itself, yeah, you don't want that to happen, because then as soon as you put your yam slices, it's just going to burn, literally. So just make sure your oil is just hot, and you have to fry your yam slices on medium heat just to avoid burning as well. And you have to keep an eye on it constantly, just checking it to make sure everything's going fine. Yamarita is looking golden brown, not burnt offering, you can take it out, and that's it. Very easy. So you can actually have this with some sweet chili sauce or some kind of sauce of your choice, but I'm having mine with some eggs, but it's like egg sauce, so it's literally just one egg in the midst of all of this tomatoes and onions. So all I did was heat up some oil and added my tomatoes and onions. It looks like there's a lot of water in it because my tomatoes were frozen as well. So I'm just adding all-purpose seasoning, 1 Maggi cube, and that's all I'm adding to it. And I'm just going to let this fry and allow like all the liquids to kind of evaporate for a bit, and then I'm going to add just 1 egg to it. So the main point of this is actually the tomatoes and the onions, but I just added 1 egg to it. So yeah. So I like frying my eggs for a little bit, and then I'm going to mix it all up together. This is because I don't like my eggs clumped up together, so I don't really let it fry as one whole. I think you guys get what I'm saying. You can see what I'm doing, so yeah. And then after this, I'm going to add some hot chilies. Feel free to skip this or just add a little bit because it's quite hot and spicy, and I have been lately obsessed with this in my eggs. I don't know why, but it is absolutely delicious. And that's all I did. This is the final result, the final look of my Yamarita with some egg sauce. I absolutely loved this recipe, but let's see what our judge has to say. Rate it out of 10.
I'll give it 7.5.
Okay.
Speaking from experience, because back in Nigeria, I've eaten the real, what do you call it again?
Yamarita.
The real whatever you call it. But it's good.
So there we have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Also share this video with your family and friends, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.